Hey, what's up? This is Jay Berube. Today I'm going to show you how to get to the top of Google search results, attract higher quality landlords and more of them, and to do it in the quickest and most effective way. Wouldn't that be great? Yeah, it actually pretty much is. And how do we do that? We do it through 5-star reviews, but we have to understand how and why first, okay? Because we need to get those 5-star reviews. I'm going to show you the easy button on how to do that. So we're going to follow this little thing called the customer journey. Okay, so first, what do they want to do? They go to Google, right? They go to Google, they want to find a property management company. They type in something like property manager near me. Sounds reasonable, right? Then what comes up? These search results. What does the eye immediately go to? And you know the answer to this. It goes to the visual and it goes to 5-star reviews. They want to see who has the most reviews, who has the best reviews, and who has the highest rating. Those are the people that they are going to click on. Once they click on that link, now it's up to your website or your landing page to do the rest. The problem with this is that it's difficult for most people to ask for the reviews. So we have to accumulate those reviews. So let me show you how. I became the Chief Growth Officer, and one of my first tasks was to create a culture of giving everybody the empowerment on the team to ask for reviews and referrals. The problem is that most people have the fear of rejection, right? Nobody wants to be rejected. We have the fear of failure. And a lot of times we don't know what to say, or we associate scripting in a very negative way. But we didn't want that. I put this script together so that we would overcome the fear of rejection and understand and leverage, here's the thing, the law of reciprocity. Because when you can show value to someone, they want to give you value back. And this is what we do and what we've done through the scripting that we've incorporated in the company. Now, here's the good news. I incorporated that script. I gave you a link to it down below in the comments. So go ahead and check for that. What has this script done for us? Took a couple of months because we had to get everybody on the team trained up. But over the past 2 months, we've received on average 3 5-star reviews per week, and there's no end in sight. So this is a really cool thing because now we're gaining momentum. We have competitions set around reviews and referrals, and it's just a lot of fun, and we're growing doors at the same time. And you can do the same thing too. So click below in the comments. You'll see the link to that 5-star review script. And you know what? Share this post or give us a comment. Let us know what you think. Okay, as always, thank you for watching, and we will see you soon.